all, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am gonna be creating this makeup look which I'm wearing in the video. Glossy lips and coal eyes are trending in this season, so I created this as my Navratri makeup look for you all. Very blingy, glossy. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in.
So guys, here I'm already done with my skincare, so we are going to be moving on to makeup directly. And today I will be using this e.l.f. illuminating face primer in the shade Radiant Glow because it's Navratri guys and I want to glow from within. So next up is going to be secret that I'll be telling you guys. So what I do with my concealer is I take a shade lighter than my skin tone and a shade darker than my skin tone. I apply it wherever I have dark circles or I can see the little bit of pigmentation. So this one is going to be e.l.f. 16-hour cameo concealer, and this one is gonna be tan sand and the other shade is gonna be deep olive shade. I am gonna take the concealer brush and try to blend it. Now this is gonna take some time, but believe me, when you do it with a brush, the finish is flawless. And I really take time with blending guys, because that is gonna be the trick to achieving that flawless base. After that, I am gonna be moving on to my foundation, and these days I'm using this e.l.f. Flawless Setting Foundation. This is gonna be perfect for my skin tone, and this is the shade 340 Almond, which has neutral undertone. Usually I go for my warm undertones guys, but this one works great for me. And if you want to build the coverage, you can definitely do it, but this just works fine for me. I dot it all over and then I start to blend it with my foundation brush. It gives me a nice coverage. I like how this foundation turns out to be, and this is going to be one of my favorite foundations around. So here again I'm going to take time with blending, and once I get done with that, I am going to be moving on to setting my under eyes. And for this I will be using Hero Botanico Timeless Matte Compact in the shade Nutmeg Beige. And all of the products that I'm showing you in today's video are absolutely my favorite ones, and wherever I'm going out and doing my makeup, these are the products I'm using all the time. Now this is going to be one of my favorite part, and that is going to be applying the blush. And I am in love with this Hero Glow On Blush Duo. You must have seen me using this one in almost all of my makeup tutorials that I do. This one is going to be in the shade 03 Cool Cinnamon plus Fresh Grapefruit. After that, we are gonna be moving on to lipstick guys, and this is gonna be Super Stay Vinyl Ink by Maybelline New York in the shade 10 Lippy. So it has this glossy shine which I absolutely love. Now we are gonna be moving on to eyes. Now I have this little eyeshadow palette again from e.l.f. Cosmetic. I'm gonna take the lightest shade and just dust it all over my lids. I'm not going to do anything else because then we are going to be moving on to eyeliner guys. And today I will be using Plum's eyeliner. It is going to give me beautiful matte finish. I absolutely love this one, and I got this one from Flipkart because their big billion day sale is live right now, wherein you're going to get minimum 30 to 60% off on skincare and makeup. Don't miss out on this opportunity guys. I have stocked up my product for this festival. It's time for you to get yours. Now we are going to be moving on to applying the kajal. I have gotten this combo from the Plum, and just one swipe and you're going to be good to go. The brand is vegan. I absolutely loved how this makeup look turned out to be guys. Now in the last, you just need to curl your lashes. Take like 20 to 30 seconds with curling the lashes guys, and then just a bit of mascara, and voila, we're almost done here. So yes, this is my Navratri makeup look guys. It is absolutely easy to create, and it is also beginners friendly. So I really hope that you like the video. All the products links are gonna be in the description box below. Just go and check them out. Flipkart Big Billion Day Sale is live right now. The links are going to be in the description box below.
So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. The links are going to be in the description box below. Make sure that you check out Plum's eye combo in the description box below. And Flipkart Big Billion Sale is live right now. Just go and check it out. I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.